Today I'm going to show you how I came up with this look step by step, and this is the hair that I'm going to be using. It's the Italian curls from Angels, and also I'm going to be using this crochet hook. So to prep my natural hair for this hairstyle, I made these small sized cornrows to help the hairstyle last a bit longer. If you cannot do cornrows by yourself, you can get someone else to do them, or you can go to the salon and get cornrows done. But to crochet the hair, I'm guaranteeing you that you can do it by yourself. It's beginner friendly. Hey Crescents, how are you doing? It's a girl Crescent Feli. If you're new here, welcome so much. So this is the hair, guys. It has like 4 bundles in it, and per bundle it has like 2 pieces, so they are 8 pieces in total. This is the size of each piece, guys, and a close-up of the color.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view.
For this hairstyle, I'm going to be using a lot of methods to crochet, guys, like around 3 of them or 4 methods. So let's crochet our first piece.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
I'm going to show you guys how I'm crocheting all the methods, so just watch.
Don't waste time to my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place, I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
This is how far I've gone with one piece, and we're going to the second piece.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2 hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be 2 hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just 2.
I'm using this hair food to apply on the hair.
Hearts running wild, never sleep, never stop.
At this point, y'all, I was so tired, but I had to go on and finish up this hairstyle.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars.
While using any of the crocheting method that I'm showing you guys, make sure that you tighten the hair because it's very soft.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shot from the top, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be.
Finally, the hairstyle is like now done, guys, but the only remaining part is to fill the front part with the hair. So what we are going to do is to reduce the amount of hair we are using into tiny pieces and fill them in the front area.
Really, real anxiety can foggy all this stuff. I've been feeling weird, I can't seem to focus good enough. Nothing's really clear, sometimes it could be a little tough. I just need to feel like the end's in sight for me, but let's be really real, anxiety can foggy all this stuff. It sucks when you finally feel like giving up. Oh God, no luck, everything feels like you're sticky stuck. I'm lost, handcuffed to the bed where I sleep, don't give a fuck. Can't stop, unplug, feeling overwhelmed, I think I've had enough. Gotta find a way to get some energy, gotta find someone who's a good friend of me. I need purpose to make it all worth it, I'm still searching and I'm still learning. I want a life that's filled with memories, not a life with regret in front of me. I need focus to keep me from hopeless psychosis if I keep moping. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my.
This is where we are at. This is how the hair is looking like. I'm just applying the hair food all over the hair. And to create a natural look for this hairstyle, we are going to need a toothbrush and brush off the edges, like the front, the sides, and the back. And that will create a very natural look for this hairstyle. I used only one pack, guys, and this is what remained. So if you're going to try this hairstyle, buy one pack. And here is the final look, you guys. I love how pretty this hairstyle turned out. It's so cute. It's so beautiful, so elegant. I love it. It's so unique, guys. Tell me in the comment section, what do you think about this hairstyle? Would you try it? Where is the best occasion for this hairstyle? I'm just curious, you guys. I've received a lot of compliments about this hairstyle. I'm like, Damn, I made it. I made it, you guys. I've never been so proud about a hairstyle than I am with this one. I'm so happy and proud about this hairstyle. You guys, I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.